Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. My name is Hassan and today we are going to add or run PHP custom code for specific country in WordPress. Before starting work as per request, please subscribe my channel. Thank you. Now back to our work. So we are going to execute PHP custom code for specific country. Now go to dashboard. On left side you see plugin. So click on add new plugin. Then in search plugin write wpcode. So our location is Pakistan and we are going to execute PHP custom code for specific country. So this is plugin wpcode. Insert header and footer we will use. So you will install this plugin and activate it, and after activation on left side you see code snippet and then you see add snippet. So click on it. Then you see add your custom code. So again click on it. And then you see select the code type. Now select PHP snippet. So click on it. Now create custom snippet section open. And then you can add title. Then you see code preview. Now paste code. And you will find this code in video description or in comment section. So this function we are using get user country function to get the user country code. Now you see IP. And then you see we use ip-aip.com to get country information. If WP error, return null, and then you see data, JSON decode, response, check if the request was successful, and then country code, and then you see return null. So this is our important function. So you can add this custom code to get user country. So you can add this custom code in your PHP code. So you can add this, and then you see function to execute code based on the user country. So this line of code, country code, get user country. So here we are going to get user function. Now you see get underscore user underscore country, get the user country code. So this is our function we are going to fetch in our custom code. So this line of code you can add in your custom code. And then you see if country code US, also add this line. And then you can add country code US for United States, UK for United Kingdom, PK for Pakistan, and then you can add your custom code here. So this custom code only execute for US user. So we added echo, and then you see add action. So you can add first this code in your custom code, PHP code. So this is a compulsory code, and then in your custom code you can add this line. Then you can add if condition, and then if clause. And then in this section you can add your custom PHP code, and that custom PHP code will execute for US user, and you will find all this code in video description or in comment section. And then scroll down, you see insert method, auto insert location, run everywhere. On top you see inactive, now active, and then click on save snippet. And then you see snippet created and saved. Go to card page. So our location is Pakistan, but in custom code we added US. Now refresh the page. And you don't see any custom code display on our location Pakistan. Now go to US IP. Now you see US IP we are using. Now paste and then click on paste and enter. And then you see welcome user, US user. So this is our custom code display on our website for US user only. Now you see card page load, and this is our custom code. Now you see back to Pakistan location. On top you don't see any custom code because in custom code we use US location. So I hope you like this video. Please like, comment, share, subscribe. Thank you for watching.